Welcome to this ECPE Michigan Proficiency Exam listening test book sample and online listening practice test by Exam Sam. This video has 10 sample ECPE listening practice tests. Here are the instructions to the ECPE Michigan Proficiency Exam online listening practice test. This video has 10 sample ECPE Michigan Proficiency Exam listening practice test questions. Details on how to get the book are also provided in this video. Listen to the 10 recordings and then answer the questions after each one. The answers and explanations are given after each question. These samples are from the ECPE Michigan Proficiency Listening and Speaking Test book by Academic Success Group. The book includes 18 units of ECPE listening practice tests, 18 free MP3s to go with the listening practice test, 5 complete ECPE speaking practice tests, each of which has tasks for 2 students. The book also includes a complete answer key. Here is the cover of the book. The title again is ECPE Michigan Proficiency Listening and Speaking Test Book by Academic Success Group. Links to Amazon or the PDF download are included in the description below the video. The ECPE Michigan Proficiency Listening Test has 3 parts. In Part 1 of the ECPE Michigan Proficiency Listening Test, you'll hear 15 short recorded conversations. After each conversation, you'll see 3 sentences. You need to select the sentence that is true according to the conversation. Some of the conversations will be very brief, but others will be a bit longer. Listen to the conversation, then answer the question that follows. Do you want to come with us to the concert?
Count me in.
Question 1. Listen to the conversation, then answer the question that follows. I can't find my car keys anywhere.
Have you really searched high and low?
Question 2. Listen to the conversation, then answer the question that follows. Will you be going to college soon?
I hope to begin in the fall.
That's great. Hopefully you'll get a full scholarship.
I should be so lucky.
Question 3. Listen to the conversation, then answer the question that follows. I had to decide in that moment whether to lie to her or to tell the truth and upset her.
Well, I hope you chose the lesser of 2 evils.
I hope I did. I ended up telling her a white lie in the end. Do you think it was the right thing to do?
Yeah, I agree wholeheartedly.
Question 4. Now let's go to the ECPE Michigan Proficiency Online Listening Practice Test Part 2. There will be 20 recorded questions on Part 2 of the test. Now listen to the sample questions and then select the correct response to each one. Listen to the question and then choose the best response from the choices provided.
How do you earn a living?
Question 5. Question, and then choose the best response from the choices provided.
Will she heed your advice?
Question 6. Let's look at the ECPE Michigan Proficiency Online Listening Practice Test, Part 3. Now you will listen to reports like you will hear on the radio. The reports may have more than one person speaking about the topic. These reports usually last for 3 or 4 minutes each. In this video, we provide free brief samples of the longer recordings from the book. Listen to the report, then answer the question that follows.
Today we're going to talk about good nutrition. Now, everybody knows that good nutrition is essential for good health. Indeed, a healthy diet can help a person to maintain a good body weight, promote mental well-being, and even reduce the risk of disease. So, first of all today, we are going to look at the answer to the question, what does healthy nutrition consist of?
Well, first of all, a healthy diet must include food from 4 major groups. These 4 groups are carbohydrate, fruit, vegetables, and protein.
Question 7. Listen to the report, then answer the question that follows.
Now, as you may know, it was in 1929 that electrical activity in the human brain was first discovered. The work of Berger was confirmed 3 years later, in 1932, when Edgar Adrian, a Briton, clearly demonstrated that the brain, like the heart, is profuse in its electrical activity. Because of Adrian's work, we know that the electrical impulses in the brain, called brain waves, are a mixture of 4 different frequencies.
Question 8. Listen to the report, then answer the question that follows. The strategy of question adjustment can be deployed to help bridge the gap between those students with low readiness and those with high readiness.
Question adjustment means that the teacher will ask questions at a variety of different levels of difficulty. There will be some so-called easy questions to build the confidence of the students who are less ready, and then there will also be some really difficult questions which are supposed to stretch the more capable students who are the most ready.
Question 9. Listen to the report, then answer the question that follows.
The percentage of teenagers who smoke only started to drop in the late 1990s. In fact, the current statistics on this are really quite alarming, because at present the rate of teenagers who smoke is nearly 50% greater than the rate for adult smokers.
Teenagers are more prone to pressure from their friends, peer pressure, and so, of course, they want to fit in with their social group, and smoking is one way to do that.
Question 10.